how you can add a welcome bot on your Discord server. Now, without any further ado, let's just begin. So the first step is opening up your Discord. So just go to your Discord and log into it. And after you've logged into it, just go to a server that you want to add the welcome bot to. Now, after you're there, just tap on this right here and then go to app directory. After you're on app directory, just search for Probot. And after you search for Probot, you will see the Probot right here, the one you want to install. Select it and then tap on Add App. Now, after you do that, just tap on Trust Probot from links from now and visit the link. Now, after you do that, you will see all of these. So just tap on Continue and then just select all the options that you want on your server. Tap on Authorize and just follow along with the process. So now right here, you will see the option to, edit your messages. So just go to the welcome right here and just toggle this button right here to send a message to the user when someone joins the server. So just type here, welcome and something, something, whatever you want. And then just select if you want to send it as a DM or if you want to send it as a channel. And then after you do that, just tap on save changes. And after you do that, you don't need this page right here, so just remove it and then go back to your Discord. And after you're on your Discord again, just go to your server right there and you will see that the Probot has been added. Now every time someone new joins your server, they will get a welcome message. So yeah, that is how you do it, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.